Straight up test.
At Washington State University, engineering students aren't just studying how machines work. They're getting their hands dirty. They're building them, and then they're sending them into battle. Freshman Ryan Evans is one of the students preparing to enter the Crimson Brawl, WSU's biannual combat robotics tournament. He says building a robot isn't just about making it move, it's about making it survive.
Everything you design, you kind of have to keep in mind like the forces here. The way I visualize it is any piece on my robot, or the old one is, but when it's fully assembled, you have to be like visualizing if it's hit by a sledgehammer, like full swing sledgehammer across this way, how's it gonna move or whatever. And so designing it to not move or move how you want it is kind of the hardest part for sure.
Each student is responsible for their own bot, designing, machining, and assembling every piece from scratch. The stakes? Winning, throwing in the towel, or being torn apart. Benjamin Bowen is competing with his robot Diamonds, built around a spinning egg beater weapon. But he says the real victory is learning how to adapt, problem solve, and plan ahead.
You really just have to, when you design it, you have to think about how you assemble it. You have to just really just plan ahead for how it's gonna be manufactured and not just if it looks cool or not.
Despite the fierce competition, the students say that the culture inside the lab is supportive, creative, and always collaborative.
Oh, I mean, if you watch our events, if you come to our events, you'll see even with a tough loss, everyone's shaking hands, hugging after the matches. We're all, I mean, the bots go into the ring and it's serious, but we're all friends. So.
Just the bots are not happy.
The bots are not happy afterwards.
The Crimson Bot Brawl is happening on April 19th. And whether their bots win, lose, or get torn to shreds, these students are ready. From Rural News 8, I'm Will Glasby.